When the storm night can only hold my song, and my shivers listen to and fro. When so fair and down try to take control, all around me when the lights are blowing cold. In my heart there is no sorrow for me to sing. I feel the breeze. I can hear it say, hold on tight, it will be alright in the morning. Then I hear him say loud and strong, there will be a song in the morning. Many times it seems I can't